In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a page in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever struggled to keep your notes organized, a quick rename can make a big difference. Renaming a page helps you find information faster, makes your sections cleaner, and ensures search results are more meaningful. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on OneNote for Windows, sometimes called the OneNote desktop app, and we'll use the simplest, most reliable ways to change a page title. Start by opening the notebook that contains the page you want to update, then go to the section where that page lives. Think of sections as tabs that group related pages together. Once you're in the right section, look for the pages list. In many desktop layouts, it appears as a vertical list on the right side of the window. In some layouts, it may appear on the left, but the idea is the same. You'll see all the pages in that section stacked in a column. Find the page you want to rename in that list and right-click its name. Be sure you're right-clicking the page in the list, not the Section tab. From the menu that appears, choose Rename. The page title will become editable. Type your new name, then press Enter to confirm. The change will be reflected both in the pages list and at the top of the page, so you'll always see the updated title as you work. There's also a quick alternative if you're already on the page. Click directly on the page title at the top of the note area. It will switch into edit mode, letting you type the new name right there. When you're done, press Enter. This approach is handy when you're actively taking notes and realize the title needs to be clearer. A few tips to keep things tidy. Choose titles that are specific and descriptive, like Project Kickoff Notes, March, instead of something generic. Short, clear titles make scanning and searching much easier. Renaming a page doesn't change its content, and any internal links you've made to that page will continue to work. If you use subpages, the rename process is identical, and the indentation and grouping remain the same. That's all there is to it. Open the right section, right-click the page name in the list, and select Rename. Then type the new title and press Enter. Or, if you're on the page, click the title at the top and edit it directly. With these two simple options, you can keep your OneNote notebooks organized and easy to navigate.